Hey, what's up, folks? It is August the 2nd, 2019, and we are here in our daily recap video. Let's take a look at pretty significant movement in the market. 2.5% move, really, over the last couple of days. So let's go through and take a look at what happened. We've seen massive, huge candle yesterday. I mean, we had $4 worth of price movement throughout the day. Same for all of these. And in each of these charts, right, we've broken through with conviction our 9 EMA, which is kind of our short-term indicator. We're above all of our other moving averages. And so, we're really looking at a retraction here in the market. Our VXX looks as if we are in a period where we should look for a small little retrace down here, right? We've hit that 3 standard deviation, probably even a 4th standard deviation move here in the VIX. Over the last couple of days, we've seen volatility increase, 5 straight days of vol increase. Is this today? Yep. We're seeing a little bit of movement. Oh, big move down here. So we're really looking at a variety of different things here in the market. Let's look at futures this morning. We'll go to our Analyze. Our Market Watch tab. Away from the premium selling. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here to our futures, which is right here. Futures, so volatility's barely down, gold's up, oil's up, which is nice. And then we have all of our market indicators are down. So NASDAQ down 0.6, S&P minis down a little bit less than that at 2%, Nat Gas down 2.5%, Russell down half, and our Dow Jones Industrial Average futures down not a ton here. And so what we're looking at is we're looking at volatility being down simply because of the expansion yesterday. But I would be cautious here, right? I'd be cautious in that our minis are all down, right? And we're kind of seeing that. So my game plan here is certainly not to get long the market. One of the things that I think is really interesting here, one of the things that I think is worth looking at on all of the major indices, is as we have been slowly stair-stepping, right? So you see, let's just make this large. So one of the things that we've seen is we've seen this stair step, right? So we stair step a little, and then a contraction, right? Get a new high, new high, new high, but we're not breaking out with conviction. We're not breaking out with conviction, which I think is important here. And so let's watch and see what today does. I anticipate that we might test this 50 simple moving average, and that's where I'll be looking to potentially put on a long position here. And then, of course, we've got this area of support down here, but that's really where we're at right now. It's really where we're at right now. Let's look at, good grief, let's look at some of our other ETFs recently. Just what's going on. We've got GDX has been making an insane move. We've had a lot of just really insane moves recently. Here in Russia, looks like you could be go long here. SMH looks like a long here. XLI certainly looks like a long here. I mean, you're seeing a lot of these that have really challenged some of their short-term supports, right? Short-term supports here. You want to stay with the trend, of course. So you want to stay with the trend. Really want to overtrade, but you want to stay with the trend. So that's where we're at.